You know what? Our decision comes with a heavy heart.
Nakakapanibago para kay Jelly de Belen ang pagkawala ng programang Sis na umere sa loob ng 8 taon kasama ang nakatatandang kapatid na si Janice at matalik na kaibigang si Carmina Villaruel.
Eh, syempre malungkot kaming lahat. Malungkot kami na, you know, every week magkasama kami.
Well, it's a good run. It's a great run. 8 years was a great run.
Pero para sa kanyang mga tagahanga, GMA7 has offered a new show to Jelly. Ito ang inaabangan ng Telefantasia na Panday Kids.
Ako ang bali magiging mami ni Buboy. Hindi ako masyadong sweet dito. Medyo, hindi ako masyadong sweet. Basta, leave it at that. Pero hindi na naman ako masama. Iba naman. Basta iba naman siya. Hindi ko pa siya nagawa.
Maging ang asawa ni Jelly na si Ariel Rivera, balik acting sa GMA telenovela na Inakasusuklaman Ba Kita.
Kumakanta pa rin ako, but obviously, seeing me every day on TV sa soap, it may seem to other people that I concentrated more on acting.
Pero kung magiging visible ang mag-asawa sa showbiz this year, not when it's 2015, kung kailan balak nilang mag-migrate sa Canada, Ariel's homeland.
Yes, 2015, alis kami. With career, no career, alis kami 2015 para mag-high school mga bata, college there. Well, there are obvious advantages in graduating, finishing school in North America. There are more doors for them. Why not take advantage since citizen naman sila, no?
Matagal-tagal pa yon, grade 2, grade 3 pa lang sila. Doon sila magka-college, pero kahit na nandun kami, pabalik-balik din ako dito. It's only for them to be able to study there.
You know what? Our decision comes with a heavy heart. We don't want to leave Philippines kasi we love what we do. At the same time, we love the Philippines. Filipino kami. Honestly, I grew up in Canada, pero I see myself living here, dying here. Kaya lang, we have to look at what's best for the kids. But definitely, we have to come back kasi we also have family here. Sila Janice, sila Mami Susan.
Uncertain about what awaits the couple in Canada. Bahala na raw kung anong oportunidad meron doon.
She always asks me, ano gagawin natin? Hindi pa natin alam kasi hindi natin alam kung ano ang takbuhan ng mundo in 5 years. Hindi natin alam kung anong uso. But we have to find out kung ano pa ang hilig namin dalawa, in 5 years. You know? Doon naman magbe-base yun eh. What we want to do. We're no longer there to para lang kumita kasi that's why we're working so hard. We want to do something there, whether it's volunteer, basta something we want to do na magugustuhan namin.
Ayon pa kay Ariel, tama na raw ang pagkakaroon nila ni Jelly ng 2 anak na lalaki. Without a nanny o yaya sa Canada, kakayanin naman daw nilang palakihin ang mga ito.
Siguro naman kaya namin ni Jelly na 2 bata lang. We're okay with 2. We're very happy with 2, very content with 2, and no more.
How about having a baby girl this time?
Ayoko ng girl. You know, when she's pregnant twice, nagdadasal lagi ako, sana guys, sana po. Mahirap magpalaki ng babae sa Pilipinas. Madaling lalaki, mahirap. Maraming manlolokong lalaki katulad ko. Kahit gaano katalino ang babae, may isang lalaki na mas wise sa kanya, naloloko.